जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 25th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, those who have got Atmajnanam, those who have reached to a state where they can start performing only Jnana Yogam, they also must be performing all of their actions and all of their duties, but without being attaching to the fruits of their actions. And they should be performing for Loka Kalyanam, for the welfare of the entire world, for the sake of leading people in a righteous path, right path." And the main difference between these great people and ignorant people is, Arjuna, ignorant people perform their duties with attachment to the results. But these learned people, these great people, should be performing their duties without attachment to the result. That is the main difference. But performing duties, performing actions is same. Like this, Krishna Paramatma encouraging every one of us into Nishkama Karma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Saktah karmani avidvamso yadha kurvanti bharata kuryat vidvan tadha saktaha chikirshuhu lokasangraham. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties thinking that it is my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry anymore. Ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties thinking that everything is your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra teaching meditation to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, you have to be visualizing Paramatma, divine Divyamangala Vigraham in your own heart. Look at that. Paramatma is wearing beautiful earrings. Look at that. Paramatma is sitting in a beautiful lotus. And also Paramatma having such a beautiful lotus-like and very delicate Yogeshwara Sthapita Pada Pallavam. Such big great yogis also will be concentrated and will be focusing their all attention upon that Divya Padam, the divine lotus like feet of Srimannarayana. Look at those divine feet. O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Lakshanam, Sri Lakshmi Devi is there in the wide, beautiful chest part of Srimannarayana. Look at that wide Vakshasima of Paramatma. Look at that wide chest part and Sri Lakshmi Devi over there. O Parikshin Narendra, Kaustubharatna Kandharam. And there is Kaustubha, the divine ornament in the neck of Srimannarayana. It is glowing. Look at that ornament. Look at Paramatma's divine personification. O Parikshin Narendra, Amlana Lakshmiya, such a beautiful garland, Vaijayanti, Vanamalaya Chitam, Paramatma is wearing. Its beauty, its glow never ever goes down. Such beautiful Vaijayanti Mala Paramatma is wearing. Look at that Vaijayanti Mala. Look at Paramatma's Divya Mangala Vigraham. O Parikshin Narendra, Vibhushitam Mekhalaya. Such a beautiful, wonderfully decorated ornament around waist of Srimannarayana. Look at that and enjoy. Anguliyakaihi. Enjoy those beautiful rings to the fingers of Paramatma. Mahadhanaihi. Greatly valuable, unlimited valuable, costly, Nupura Kankanadibhihi. So many wonderful ornaments to his shoulders, to his wrist, and everywhere such a beautifully decorated Srimannarayana should be visualized, should be picturized, and That Paramatma is sitting within your own heart. O Parikshit Narendra, now enjoy Paramatma's beautiful hair, Snigdha, thick hair, Amala, very pure hair, Akunchita Neela Kuntalaihi, black hair, and it is glowing hair, and it is rings everywhere, those rings of the hair. It is curly hair. Oh Parikshit Narendra, such beautiful hair. Virochamana Anana Hasa Pesalam. Having such a beautifully curly, black, thick, glowing hair. Now Paramatma's face is smiley face, very pleasant face, very charming face. Such beautiful face you have to enjoy. Oh Parikshit Narendra, having all these greatly decorated, having all these great attributes, having such a beautiful physical appearance, handsome appearance, such Sriman Narayana should be realized, visualized, picturized by you, and that Paramatma is not somewhere. That Paramatma is right there within your own heart. Keep on enjoying, keep on having an eternal bliss right here itself. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining not only Parikshit Narendra but to each and every one of us how to enjoy Paramatma's presence within our own heart. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Bhavajaladhim Agadham Dustaram Nistareyam Katamahamiti Cheto Masmagaha Kataratvam Sarasijadrusi Deve Tavaki Bhaktireka Narakabhidi Nishanna Tarayishyati Avasyam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 25th sloka. Saktah karmani avidvamso yadha kurvanti bharata kuryat vidvan tadha saktaha chikirshuhu lokasangraham. Saktah karmanya vidvamso yadha kurvanti bharata kuryat vidvan tadha saktaha chikirshuhu lokasangraham. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.